That's for Daniel. What's
Okay.
a food? What's a food that always goes bad in your fridge? Why do you keep buying it?
Please repeat after me. Fridge. That's fridge, right, Zoe? That's how to pronounce that.
Fridge.
Fridge, exactly. Do you
Fridge,
understand the question?
fridge like geladeira.
Exactly. You see, I don't cook, so actually, right now, the only thing that I have in my fridge is like this, right? Because if I leave anything in there, it will probably waste away because I barely even open my fridge, right? I always order takeout. I'm just like literally like Carrie Bradshaw, Carrie Bradshaw from Sex and the City, Zoe? I'm like her. I could keep my shoes in my fridge and my stove. I won't be able to answer this because I don't actually leave anything in my fridge for it to go bad, so I don't know, but if I'm not alone, and if my mother, if she's at home, right, because she does all the shopping and things like that, then I think that the one thing that would go to waste that would be yogurt.